Once upon a time, 5 ants were walking together through a forest. While they were on their way, 3 of them accidentally fell into a deep pit. Out of the 5, 3 were now trapped below, and only 2 remained above. The 3 ants in the pit tried their best to climb out. But the pit was very deep, getting out wasn't easy at all. The 2 ants standing above looked down and shouted, "You 3 will never get out of there. This pit is too deep. Your effort is useless." Hearing this, one of the 3 ants thought, "They're right. This pit is huge. We'll never escape." After trying for a while, that ant gave up and sat quietly in a corner of the pit. Now only 2 ants kept trying to climb up. The 2 ants above again shouted, "Stop wasting your energy. You'll never make it out. You'll have to spend your whole life inside this pit." Hearing this, another ant lost hope. She, too, stopped trying and sat down sadly. Now there was only 1 ant left, still struggling to climb upward. The ants above kept shouting, "Can't you hear us? The others have given up already. Why are you still trying? You'll never get out." But that ant didn't seem to care. She kept climbing, slipping, and trying again. And finally, after many attempts, she climbed out of the pit. The ants above were shocked. How did she do that? How did she get out? Let me tell you the secret. That ant was deaf. She couldn't hear a single word anyone said. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. Whenever you try to do something good or great in life, there will always be people who try to discourage you. They'll say things like, "It's impossible. You can't do it," or "You'll fail." But if you truly want to succeed, then become deaf. Don't let their negative words affect you. Because the biggest disease in this world is, what will people say? People talk when you do nothing. And they talk even more when you start doing something. Talking is their job. And they'll always do it. So, if you want to reach your goals, ignore the noise and focus on your purpose. If you liked this story, please like and share it so it can reach more people. And for more inspiring stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story. Until then, be patient, stay grateful, and live your life fully.